You don't like Lucy, it's loopy. I go big, no Uzi or boozy, but 2Z is choosy, no groupie. Yeah, and I guess I got chose. I was picked by the people as the best where it snows, but I never froze, not defined by my clothes. I just stuck to my roots, learn the water where it grows. Okay, till I D-I-E, or I'm 6 feet deep. You can stay counting sheep on me. Yeah, that's on me. I'm me. Okay, till I D-I-E, or I'm 6 feet deep. You can stay counting sheep on me. Yeah, that's on me. Click, click, zoom, gotta pick soon. When I get boom, I'ma tick, boom. Drop June, didn't do it, I assume, but I push, made tunes that it sweeps, no brooms. Didn't take me out my ways though, we're still making hits without play like Conseco. Yeah, wanna talk about range? I think it's more impressive when somebody doesn't change. Okay, till I D-I-E, or I'm 6 feet deep. You can stay counting sheep on me. Yeah, that's on me. I'm me. Okay, till I D-I-E, or I'm 6 feet deep. You can stay counting sheep on me. Yeah, that's on me. I'm me, to the enemy. Never could pretend to be like you was a friend of me. Working like this 10 of me, but you know my tendencies. Me plus the Hennessy. Who tryna roll, I volunteer like it's Tennessee. Yeah, I ain't hit my peak yet. Every pot of flow, if I want it, I'ma seek it. Never had a secret. Work plus the passion. Multiply by times at the net with subtraction. Like the stars at the top, I'ma go connect the dots. The dot, the dot, the dot. In the stars I sketch out. I see my thoughts and can't rest now. So I go zombie, mix with Gandhi, build tsunamis. I want morning, so I'm working till the morning. It's no warning that I cannot let my fans down. If your hands down, that's a man down. Put 'em up, put 'em up. If you don't give a fuck, put 'em up. To the sky, I'm too smoked to hide. I could fucking fly like a bird or a plane. Oh no, that's T-A-Y. I'm that guy, D-I-Y. If you text and no reply, just know I'm about my business, and here's some reasons why.
Hi, this is Hippie Buddha. She is my friend, hairstylist Hippie Handy. Yeah, finally I released Buddha Black Afro Perm Kit. Yeah, cut the seal. The other side, cut the seal again. Okay, open up, Handy. Yeah, there you go. Buddha Black. Yeah, that is my letter. I feel really grateful for you guys, so that's why. Okay, that is really important thing. Sheet one that can make tight curls with less damage. That wide one is you can keep the curls until cut your hair, and that is perm paper. Yeah, 500 perm paper. That's enough. 500. Okay, let's go. Okay, open up. Let's go, Handy. Handy, what are you doing? Okay. Oh yeah, that is gloves. That is gloves. Four set. Two set for small size. Two set for medium. Middle size. Medium size. Okay. Yeah, black one is medium size. That is yeah, face cover. You can protect eyes when you get a perm. Okay, that is steel lots. Yeah, 2 centimeters to 100 steel lots with tail comb. Okay, what are you doing? She's not my type. She's not pretty. Okay, black one again, yellow one. Okay. Yeah, that is medium size. Black one is medium size. Yellow one is small size. Okay. Next one. Okay, you don't need to explain how to use the rubber gloves. Okay. Okay, V. Okay, she's shaking. She's shaking. She is not sick. Okay, okay. She is not sick, but she's shaking. Okay. Take the gloves. Okay. Okay. Okay, that is how to use. Let me explain how to use palm paper. Okay. Take up that one and then lace up sides, both of them, and pull off. Pull out, pull up. Okay, what are you doing, Hippie Buddha? Okay, that is sticker. I'm sorry, I cannot speak English very well. Okay, I think you guys need to learn how to speak Korean. Okay, that is better. Okay, you can stick on anywhere, on your body, on your anywhere. Okay. You can use like that. That's 500. Okay, don't spend. Let's get Dreadlock again.
I need to run with 4-5 hoes, not for me, but for my bros who all loop so they all know. If one cut, then they all go. I'ma get mine and go get more. Hub the peace, love, and the dough, and just let that go to show. Everything else just come and go. I am more than what you see, i.e. speed or the G. I give what you give to me, and what you get, what you see. I can't be someone I'm not, and change up in every spot. I sit back and craft a plot, then just go connect the dots. The dot, and the stars I sketch out. I see my thoughts, and can't rest now. So I go zombie, mix with Gandhi, build tsunamis. I want morning, so I'm working till the morning. It's no warning that I cannot let my fans down. If your hands down, that's a man down. Put 'em up. Put 'em up. If you don't give a fuck, ay, put 'em up. Yeah, I touch down, right when I touch down, I gon' make a sound. It's a hit, if we live, and we can still get down. What I found, building this shit from the ground, is that people come around that are lost but never found. So put 'em up. I need to run with 4-5 hoes, not for me, but for my bros who all loop so they all know. If one cut, then they all go. I'ma get mine and go get more. Hub the peace, love, and the dough, and just let that go to show. Everything else just come and go. I am more than what you see, i.e. speed or the G. I give what you give to me, and what you get's what you see. I can't be someone I'm not, and change up in every spot. I sit back and craft a plot, then just go connect the dots. Mood setter, truth vendor, yeah. I'm acapella, live seller. Whoa, this the warning, the storm forming, yeah. Jordan scoring, rain pouring.